In this video, I'll be showing you how to use properties in Obsidian. So properties is a useful tool to be able to manage data and format data. So we press colon 3 times and that will give us this menu. So from here, we have something that we can organize things. So for example, if I want to add date, press date, and that will allow you to put in the information there. If you want to change this, you can right click it, press property type, create new note, click on that one. So for example, if we want to collect information regarding books, so you can put in some information published, I don't know, maybe it's 09/01/2024. And you can just, yeah, it's very useful for using information like that. So yeah, that is how you use properties. I hope this information helped. Speak to you soon.